Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like and to share my channel. Press the bell icon button for regular updates. Today I will be discussing the HP TAT Medical 2016 question paper 1. First we will discuss botany and zoology section. You can write the question with their answers in your notebook. It will be very helpful for your exams. So let's start. Our first question is Collenchyma is. So collenchyma is thick-walled living cells. D will be the correct option. Next question is brain sugar is. So galactose is known as brain sugar. A will be the correct option. Edible mushroom is. Agaricus is edible mushroom. C will be the correct option. Next question is when ants bite, they inject formic acid. C will be the correct option. Placenta is the characteristic feature of. So placenta is the characteristic feature of mammals. So here A will be the correct option. Partly digested food that leaves the stomach is called chyme. B will be the correct option. An open circulatory system occurs in insects. C will be the correct option. Oxysomes are present in lysosome. C will be the correct option. Prokaryotic genome consists of. So prokaryotic genome consists of DNA without histone. C will be the correct option. Cell organelle called protein factory. So ribosomes are known as protein factory. So here B will be the correct option. Oxygen carrying capacity of human blood is reduced due to the pollution of carbon monoxide. So here B will be the correct option. The pathway of movement of water through cell wall only is called apoplast pathway. C will be the correct option. Cornea transplant in human is usually never rejected. This is because cornea transplant in human is usually never rejected because it has no blood supply. So D will be the correct option. Next is double uterus are found. So double uterus are found in marsupials. C will be the correct option. Corpus luteum in mammals occurs in ovaries and produce progesterone. A will be the correct option. Steroids are used in. So steroids are used in treatment of hormonal imbalance, yes. Birth control, yes. Treatment of autoimmune diseases, yes. So here correct option is D, all of these. Toothless area in the jaws of rabbit is called diastema. B will be the correct option. The term ecology was coined by a writer. C will be the correct option. Main component of cell wall of fungi is known as chitin. C will be the correct option. The amphibians of the plant kingdom is bryophytes. B will be the correct option. Malaria parasite is digenetic. B will be the correct option. The hair present in maize corn cob is style. D will be the correct option. A cell formed from cleavage is called blastomere. A will be the correct option. Iodine test is used to detect carbohydrates. B will be the correct option. A tall plant was grown in nutrient deficient soil and it remained dwarf. When it was crossed with dwarf plant, then all hybrid plants are tall. B will be the correct option. Wings of insects and birds are analogous organs. C will be the correct option. Greenhouse effect is due to CFCs, CH4, CO2. So all of these will be the correct option, option D. 10% energy transfer law in food chain was first given by Lindemann. A will be the correct option. The development of fruit without fertilization is called parthenocarpy. B will be the correct option. The stone formed in human kidney consists mostly of calcium oxalate. A will be the correct option. Abnormal rise in RBC count is called Polycythemia. C will be the correct option. Leukemia is due to excess of WBCs. A will be the correct option. Phyllotaxy is the arrangement of leaves. A will be the correct option. Venom of cobra attacks nervous system. C will be the correct option. When pollen tube enters through micropyle, then the process is called porogamy. D will be the correct option. Eyes of owl glitter at night due to the presence of tapetum cellulosum. D will be the correct option. During strenuous exercise, glucose is converted into lactic acid. B will be the correct option. Hydroponics is a technique of conservation of water. C will be the correct option. Cotton fibers are made up of starch. D will be the correct option. The phase of cell cycle in which replication of DNA occurs is S phase. A will be the correct option. Which of the following is true fish? So here, flying fish is the correct option, option C. Which one is not a reflex section? So, which is not a reflex section is weeping. Weeping is not a reflex section. B will be the correct option. Source of energy in muscle contraction is, so see here two options are correct, because source of energy in muscle contraction is ATP, but ATP contains creatine phosphate. So here B and D will be the correct options. Oxyntic cells secrete HCl, hydrochloric acid. C will be the correct option. Adam's apple is larynx. B will be the correct option. When pollen of a flower is transferred to the stigma of another flower of the same plant, the pollination is known as geitonogamy. B will be the correct option. Charles Darwin travelled round the world on a ship for 5 years, 1831 to 1836. It was HMS Beagle. A will be the correct option. BCG vaccine is given against tuberculosis, TB. C will be the correct option. Volkmann's canal occur in bone. B will be the correct option. Pacemaker is implanted when one of these is defective. So, if SA node is defective, C will be the correct option. Okazaki fragments are seen during replication. A will be the correct option. Secondary spermatocyte and 50 secondary oocytes form 100 sperms and 50 ova. A will be the correct option. Now, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer from the code given below. So, first is Robert Brown. So, you know that Robert Brown discovered nucleus. So, A का fourth हो जाएगा. Second is Rudolf Virchow. So, इन्होंने जो है ओमनिस सेलुला ई सेलुला दिया था. So, here B का हो जाएगा second. Third is Robertus and Franki. So, microtubule was discovered by Robertus and Franki. So, here C का हो जाएगा first and then George Palade. So, George Palade discovered ribosome. So, here A का हो जाएगा fourth, B का हो जाएगा second, C first, D third. तो ऑप्शंस में देख लेते हैं यहाँ पर. तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन विल बी B. Next is cell organelle without limiting membrane is ribosome. A will be the correct option. Mendel formulated in the law of purity of gametes on the basis of monohybrid cross. C will be the correct option. Majority of carbon dioxide produced by our body cells is transported to the lungs as bicarbonate ions. B will be the correct option. Bicuspid valve of heart allows blood from left auricle to left ventricle. D will be the correct option. I have discussed it already in one video in which I have discussed about the structure of heart and its functioning. So here bicuspid valve of heart allows blood from left auricle to left ventricle. Next is the hormone that increases the blood calcium level and decreases its excretion by kidney is parathormone. A will be the correct option. Primary carbon dioxide acceptor in C3 plants is RUBP. C will be the correct option. ATP was discovered by Carl Lohmann. C will be the correct option. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment and to share my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon button for regular updates. Keep supporting, keep motivating. Thank you.